Dusk rolls in with the evening glow, golden fields where the wild winds blow. Your shadow walks beside me slow, underneath that fading sun's warm flow. We've known hard rains, we've known dry years, shared our laughter, shared our tears. Every mile, every prayer we've sown led me right to the love I've known. In this wide open land, my heart found you. Like a lone star shining the whole night through the trials, through the storms we've grown. Out here in the country, you're my home. Yes, you're my home. Barn light glows and the crickets sing. You wear my old coat like it's a diamond ring. In your eyes I see tomorrow's grace. Every dream in this quiet place, in this wide open land, my heart found you. Like a lone star shining the whole night through the trials, through the storms we've grown. Out here in the country, you're my home. I'll stand right here, I won't change. For every sunrise, every sunset glow, you're the only road I'll ever know. In this wide open land, my heart found you. Like a lone star shining the whole night through the trials, through the storms we've grown. Out here in the country, you're my home. Forever my home. Morning light through the old barn door, coffee brewing on the stove once more. You're humming low in that cotton dress. Every note feels like a soft caress. We worked these hands till the day turned in. Plowed the fields, chased dreams on a whim, but it all feels right when you're close to me, like the river flowing to the deep blue sea. Where the river meets the sky, that's where I'll be, holding you close, you're my only dream. Through the years, through the miles, I'll never stray. You're the reason my heart knows the way. Underneath that moon's silver light, we talk about tomorrow late at night. Your laughter dances on the summer air, and I thank the Lord for the love we share. Where the river meets the sky, that's where I'll be, holding you close, you're my only dream. Through the years, through the miles, I'll never stray. You're the reason my heart knows the way. When the storms roll in and the winds grow wild, I'll be your shelter, I'll make you smile. Every road I've walked led me here to you, and there's nothing more I'd ever want to do. Where the river meets the sky, that's where I'll be, holding you close, you're my only dream. Through the years, through the miles, I'll never stray. You're the reason my heart knows the way. Yes, you're the reason my heart knows the way. Sunsets painting the sky with gold. I'm walking the road we used to know. That old swing's creaking in the evening breeze, and I can almost hear you talk to me. We carved our names on that pine tree, vows as strong as the roots beneath. Years have passed, but my heart still stays on that front porch where we used to sway. Back to that front porch I'd go tonight, where your smile was warmer than the porch light. Through the seasons, through the storms, I'd roam, just to find my way back home. Your laughter echoed through summer rain, barefoot dancing down the lane. Every little thing reminds me still of the love we made on that old red hill. Back to that front porch I'd go tonight, where your smile was warmer than the porch light. Through the seasons, through the storms I'd roam, just to find my way back home. And if the Lord gave me one more day, I'd hold you close, I'd beg you to stay. No riches, no city could ever compare to that wooden porch and the love we shared. Back to that front porch I'd go tonight, where your smile was warmer than the porch light. Through the seasons, through the storms I'd roam, just to find my way back home. Yes, to find my way